In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Ruler in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for design and prototyping, and being able to work with precision is absolutely key to creating professional and polished interfaces. Rulers are an indispensable feature that allows designers to achieve pixel-perfect alignment, consistent spacing, and a clear understanding of dimensions within their designs. They provide a visual reference system, much like the physical rulers you might use in traditional drafting, but optimized for the digital canvas. This can be particularly helpful when you're laying out complex components, ensuring your elements snap to specific points, or simply needing a quick visual measurement of an object. Activating them is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your workflow. So, to begin, the very first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Figma. Whether you're using the desktop application or accessing it through your web browser, make sure you have a design file open and ready to work on. You should be looking at your main canvas area, where your artboards, frames, and design elements are displayed. This ensures you're within the active design environment where the rulers will be visible and functional. Having your project open is the foundation for making any adjustments to your workspace view settings. Once you're inside your design file, take your mouse and direct your attention to the top right corner of your canvas. You'll notice a percentage display, typically showing 100% or whatever your current zoom level is set to. This isn't just an indicator of your zoom, it's actually a clickable drop-down menu that offers a variety of view options for your workspace. This menu provides quick access to settings that control how you perceive your design, including various display preferences that can aid in your design process. Go ahead and click directly on this percentage display. Upon clicking the zoom percentage, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options related to your canvas view. Scroll through this list, and you will find an option clearly labeled Rulers. To enable the rulers, simply click on this Rulers option. Instantly, you'll observe two rulers appearing, one horizontally across the top edge of your canvas, and another vertically along the left edge. These rulers are now active and ready to assist you in your design tasks. With the rulers now visible, you can start to utilize them for greater precision. For instance, you can click and drag from either the horizontal or vertical ruler directly onto your canvas to create guidelines. These guides are incredibly useful for aligning elements, defining margins, or creating structured layouts. They won't be part of your final design export, but they serve as a crucial visual aid within Figma. You can move these guides around as needed, or even remove them by dragging them back off the canvas onto the ruler. If you ever wish to hide the rulers again, simply repeat the process. Click on the zoom percentage in the top right corner, and then click on Rulers once more to toggle them off. This flexibility allows you to customize your workspace precisely to your current needs, ensuring a clean view when rulers aren't required, and immediate access to them when they are. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled rulers in Figma, empowering you with a powerful tool for achieving meticulous and professional design results. Happy designing!